I've got another unboxing for you. I purchased this late last week. There was some deals on Home Depot's website that if you're not following the tool deals page, checking it daily, 730woodworks.com/tools-deals, you're missing out. This is a really good deal on what's inside the box. I see red. Do you see red? I can't believe it. He bought a red tool. I was able to pick up this M12 fuel set, impact with the drill and a spare battery. This also comes with a charger and 2 batteries inside for $229, and they was having a really good deal. This is the latest gen model, if I'm not mistaken, on the fuel. And the reason why I bought it was my rigids. The drill has been making a grindy noise. I think it's about to lay down on me. That's at least what I'm telling myself. And if it does, obviously it's got the lifetime warranty, but I also didn't want to be without a drill. And it was a good excuse to buy this because I've been wanting the M12 system for a long, long time because of their compactness and just being in the shop. I don't think I need a heavy 18-volt drill. I think these Milwaukees will do just fine. Charger. It's a little heavier than I thought, the little M12. Not terribly heavy, but it's got some heft to it. Feels good in the hand. I like it. I like it. Oh, that's the impact. It's light. The impact is really light. The drill's a little heavier, which is fine, but the little impact is a little driver. Man, that is all right. Then I've got 2 of the smaller 2.0 batteries, I think. Yep, both of these are 2.0s, and then I have the one bigger 4.0. So I would assume I will likely leave the 4.0 in the drill, and I don't even know how to put them things in. Yeah, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, look at that. Oh, the battery gauge is on the side. I like that. That's all right, y'all. Overall first impressions is they feel really nice. They're very solid and grippy in the hand. Just a good solid feeling tool. I like how compact it is, how small that driver is. The drill is fairly small. I think this battery is kind of, it's okay if you're going to set it down like that. I think that most of the time the more I think about it, I don't even know how to take them out. Somebody probably out there going, push the button. I will likely leave that 2.0 battery in it. I just like the form factor. I know they won't set up or anything. I guess it does. Not as easy. I usually just slop it down on the table anyway, but I like the little impact. I like that. Nice bright LEDs. I wish the drill did that same thing, but I understand because of the chuck and all, but I never use these bags. I really wish they would give an option where you don't get the bag. I mean, I guess a lot of people take these in their truck and stuff, but I never use the bag, so not sure what I'll do with that.